Look at that trout magnet in his throat, that orange one. Whoa, man, you think he wanted that, man? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Bass Wars. We are gonna go out and chase some sunnies with the old flow and fly bobber and see if we can catch some. We've got a cloudy day, but it's beautiful out, 70s in March. Can you believe that? I can't believe it. So let's see if we can get them, man. Here we are back at the trail, Crystal Lake. The water is still low. See, I believe this with this warm weather, these sunnies should be moving shallow. So let's do it. We got some sun. Let's warm out. Starting with the old little black fly and that small bobber. All right, let's see what we got here. Last time I was here, I caught my first 3 crappie. Getting some bites out here. I got 2 bites out over here. See if I can make that happen. Light bites. There he is. Yes. Got him. Oh man, is that a crappie, dude? Tell me that's a crappie. Oh yeah, that is a crappie. Oh dude, crappie. That's what we're talking about. Look at that, guys. Crappie number 1. Gonna let him go. Same spot out there on the fly. Here we go. Nice crappie. Look at that beautiful clear water. Look, he's still gone. All right. All right. 1 crappie. Awesome. On a tiny fly. Let's see if we can get more. Way out there. Same spot as last time. Let's see if we can do that again. That was so cool. All types of movement out there. Way out there. Oh God, got him. Got another one. Oh, dude, he crushed it. What do we got here? Another. Oh, he got off. That was a crap. That was a crappie. That was a crappie, kids. School of crappie. Can't believe he got off. Dude, he jumped up for that thing, man. That was nuts. That was crazy. I switched up to a trout magnet and I caught a nice crappie, a bigger one. I didn't get that one on video filming it, but the bite slowed down, but changed up from the fly to the trout magnet, and bam, what a beautiful big old crappie. All right, let's try to get back out there. Same spot as before. Oh God, there he is. Oh, he destroyed it. I missed him. There he is. Oh man, another one. Goodness gracious. This one's big, dude. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah. Look at him. Woof. Unreal, dude. Look at that. I'm not even gonna turn my camera off. I'm gonna release him and get, oh, dude. He got my bait in his mouth. Spit it out, dude. Hook me up with another one. They're biting orange. Woo! Crappie mania has struck again. Believe that, guys? Woo! That's crazy. I think that barber's too high. Bring it down just a hair. Sometimes you gotta change up. You're getting bit, and then you gotta change up because they become accustomed to it. See if we can put another one. Crappie wars. Oh, there he is. There he is. This guy's a small guy. Oh, dude, we got our first bass of the year. Look at that. First bass. Come on now. First bass, kids. This is our first bass of the year. Not the size that I want. He's like 5 inches, but look at him. Look at how beautiful he is. Trout magnet. Look at that trout magnet in his throat, that orange one. Whoa, man, you think he wanted that, man? Guys, what an awesome day. I gotta go. I've been out here for about an hour and a half. This is my like 5th or 6th crappie. Beautiful day. The water's warming up. The bass I've seen some bass shallow. Caught one bass, my first small bass of the year. Awesome day, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.